Hi everyone. So you must have used different remote desktop softwares like AnyDesk or TeamViewer or be it any remote desktop sharing software. So I wanted to have an open source or free software for that. I just searched for it and came to this software which is called RustDesk. Okay, so I just wanted to install it and explore it, and so I wanted to share with you also. Hope if you like it, you can also use this software. So you can go here rustdesk.com. So basically it's HTTPS rustdesk.com, and here you can do this. So go here RustDesk on the home page itself. Okay, so some warning is there. It's fine. Let it be. And so download. Let's download it. Okay, so this is the download link which I have clicked. So these are the different options. Okay, so basically this is a warning which says that if you don't trust anyone, don't let them access your computer or PC. Okay, so it's obvious, right? So these are the different download options. It is available for Windows, Ubuntu, Mac, Android, Flatpak, iOS, and web. Okay, so almost everything. And suppose if any other platform is not supported, web is there, so this is supported. This will be workable on all the, I think, all the platforms or architecture. Okay, so let's download it. So out of this, I'll go for exe. Okay, rundesk 86 64. Okay, so I'll try to. So I'll like download it from here. So basically exe or MSI. So I'll install I'll download exe. Okay, so let's download it. So this is basically 20 and 21 MB of size. Let's install it now. Okay, no need to install it, just the executable file, and it's so due to UAC, Rust disk cannot work properly as remote side in some cases. To avoid UAC, please keep the button below. Install the Rust disk to system. Okay. So basically, this is how it is installed. So you can use at a like portable exe also, or if you want, you can like install it. Okay. So create start menu, create desktop icon, don't need it. Install Rust disk printer. I'm not sure what the printer is, so let it be. Anyhow, I'll just disable it. Run without install. You have this option. Click apply, accept and install. Okay. So let's install it. Okay. So basically this is installed. Okay. So I'll exit this and start from the start menu. Basically, Rust desk. Okay. So basically this is my ID. So and this is my password. So we can change it if you want. You can change the password, custom permission, enable keyboard, mouse, enable. These are the different kind of permissions which you can enable it. So enable keyboard, enable remote printer, enable clipboard, enable audio, enable camera, all this. So basically, one can access these things from remote. Okay, so whatever you will install. So suppose if you don't want them to install your like use their keyboard or mouse, you can disable it. You don't want them to use your camera, then you can disable it. Like this, you can enable or disable. So accept session via both. So whether session via password or accept session via click. Okay. So both these. So use one-time password, use permanent password. Okay, cancel, and you can specify your password here. Okay, basically, so what are the settings we'll see. The service, this service is running basically, so you can stop it. Okay, let's see. So the service is stopped, and this the rust is also okay. So okay, so this is exited. Let's go to so see here it's coming as service not running, so no one will be able to connect. So let's start the service. Fine, it's running. Okay. Okay. Fine. It is started now. I'll go to setting. Okay. So this is the basic interface, and this is the yeah, settings. So basically, the service theme, dark, light, follow the system. So basically, what your system theme will be, it will be applied automatically. Language, you can select all these. So suppose I am from India, I'm not sure Hindi is there or not, so it's fine. Even if it's not there, I'd use English, it's fine. But yeah, okay. Hindi is not there, it's fine. Hardware, enable hardware codec, audio input device. You can select which audio input device it take. So these are different recording, automatically record incoming session, automatically record outgoing session. You can specify the location of this. So basically, it will record everything. This is good option. Other confirm before closing, adaptive by bitrate, remote wallpaper during incoming session, open. So these are the different settings in general security. These are the settings. Enable RDP, deny LAN discovery. Okay. Enable direct IP access. Use IP whitelisting. Yeah, set permission. Password. Okay. Here you can set your password. Okay. Right. And then we have network setting. Fine, we have to unlock it and you can change these things. Display, social, scale original. So this according to the scale adaptive. These are related to the display, like how it will look onto your remote system. Suppose someone is connecting to your system, so how it will look to them. Those things you can specify and change here. Okay, default codec, what you want to use. So if you don't, if you are not confirmed, just let the auto be like that. So these are many other options are there. Other default option, view mode, show mode. Okay. So these are the once we'll explore everything, start using it, we will understand more about this. So this is display, this is account. What you can do, you can register, you can log in. I think if you don't have any account, here there should be an option to register because so I have installed it first time and I don't see any option of like there should be here see suppose if I click here there should be an option of either what you say here can be register okay as a register or something sorry for this handwriting okay so let it be so okay I'll hold this okay give me 1 second sorry. Okay, this is deleted, fine. Okay, so okay, let's choose the command. Okay, fine. Okay, so there should be some register button. Let's see if I can register from their website. Let me see if I can register. Okay, oh, okay, I have logged in basically. Okay, so I already have an account, I think. So it's automatically run. Okay, this is okay. Sorry, it is GitHub actually. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Rust Desk. Let's go to their website if they have the website or not. Let's see. RustDesk. Okay. So I don't see any login option here. So let it be. So let's leave it for now. So, but I'll advise there should be register button over here, or it should redirect to Gmail or something which is like authentication provider. It should redirect, and there should be register for first time. And printer is there, install Rust printer. This Rust printer is not installed, you can install it. I'm not sure about what this printer is. Okay, outgoing print jobs. Okay, so I think you can send printer jobs to this. For that, we have to install it. About this is the version. Okay, this is the policy and this is all. So this is all about setting. This is home. This is good. That setting here only. You can close. You can close and come to home page. Other option, this is your ID, this is your password, which you can give to someone else who wants to like connect to your computer. This is okay. This is something. Oops, no recent session. Fine. So if you connect to someone, it will come over here. So you can directly click on connect. This is favorite. You can click favorite connection or peer. You can discover. It's not like fun discover and okay. You can like save and sessions about different options about it. So address book you can log in and create. Again, there is no option to log in. There should be option to register. And this is like what? This is okay. This I think these are the number of connections or something. It will show connect, transfer file, view camera. So these are the different options with it. Hope. Let me see if I can Rust disk. If I open two sessions, no, I cannot open two sessions basically. That's fine. Otherwise, I could have shown you like how. Okay, let me install it on my phone. I'm installing on my phone, and let me see, connect once whether it works. Let me check if it is available on Play Store or not. UST Rust DESK Rust disk. RustDesk, it's not available on Android basically. Okay, let's go to RUST. I am trying to search on Chrome on my phone, RustDesk website. Okay, reject all, download, GitHub. Okay, Mac, Android, Universal. Okay, so basically it's downloading. I am downloading the Android file details. So if you can see, one second. If you can see, it's downloaded. This app is downloaded. I'm not sure you will be able to see or not. So this is app is downloaded. I'm trying to install it. Allow permission. Install. So it's installing. Okay. So it is blocked now. I'm not sure. I won't be able to install it on Linux. I think I have to do some security settings on Linux, sorry, on Android, then only I will be able to download it. So let it be like this. So basically this is all about the installation configuration and walk through the process of installing this open source remote desktop software. So hope you liked it. Please try to install it, run it. If you like this, you can use it as a free alternative to the paid version. You use it and let's see. Just comment how you liked it or not. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment on the video. Please share. Please